JD here, and I did want this to be a live video, but unfortunately the time that you're seeing this go up is the time I've just come back from work. Yep, long day. So I've had to make this an offline video. Essentially what I wanted to talk about for 5 minutes was just video editing. I get a lot of emails every single week asking me what software do I use, do I recommend any software, have I tried using XYZ. So there are many different types of software I use. I do have my staple, my diehards. So I use iMovie, I use Final Cut Pro, and I also use, I've started using a bit of Power Director. Not a lot, just a little bit, just to do some different things that iMovie can't necessarily do. And that Final Cut Pro is a little bit too fiddly to get that deep involved with it. I also have used Adobe Premiere in the past as well. Anyway, so what I wanted to just bring your attention to for the second was the Humble Bundle that has currently gone live. So you've got, I think it's 6 or 7 days left. And essentially what Humble Bundle is, if you've not heard of it, you pay however much you want and you get software, books, comics, whatever it is they've got on offer. This week what they've got is they've got video editing tools. So I thought I'd bring this to your attention if you've not seen it. So you can pay, I think it's up to $35, and for that you get a selection of 9 or 10 pieces of software. And no, before anybody says anything, this is not sponsored. I'm just bringing this to people's attention because I hope this will allow people to use other software and branch out a little bit more into video editing. So essentially go and check it out, have a little look, see exactly what it is they've got on offer, and have a little look, see if you're interested. Link is in the description. So I just wanted to say that. I hope you're all having a great week. I'm going to go and get some dinner, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Look after yourselves, folks. Take care and happy flying.